Today at our workshop DAF XF with broken compressor. So now we will disassemble AC system, we will clean it, and after that we will assemble the new part. So let's start. AC service station is ready, so now time for the recover procedure. Old compressor on the table. Now we need to check the condition of it. What we can do? We can disassemble it and check how the parts inside look like. But before that, what we can do? We can check the quality of the oil which is inside. Before I will unbolt the bolt plug, I will check the quality of the oil which is on the high and low side. Based on the oil which we drain from the old compressor, we can confirm that this compressor is broken. What we should do now, we will exchange the condenser, we will flush the whole system, I mean pipes, evaporator, and of course we will assemble the new compressor. As you saw, compressor was totally damaged. So in that case, we need to clean up the whole system, and of course, condenser need to be replaced because we cannot flush it. Let's start. Old compressor and condenser are disassembled. Now time for a cleaning of AC system. Cleaning machine is ready, so now what I will do, I will disconnect the pipes, because what is very important, just keep in mind that always we need to disconnect all pipes and they need to be cleaned separately. So we will start with the pipe which is going directly from the condenser to the expansion valve. AC system is ready for assembling, everything is cleaned. Now time for the new parts. It will be condenser and of course new compressor. So let's start. AC system is ready for assembling process. We cleaned up the pipes and evaporator, so in the AC system we don't have oil. Now we will assemble condenser and compressor. Before I will add the compressor to the car, I need to check the amount of oil which is inside. For this truck, for the whole system, it is 135 milliliters of oil. And now we will check the amount of oil from our compressor. We already checked the amount of the oil. It's a proper amount, it's around 120. The rest of the oil still is inside the compressor, because you should keep in mind that it is impossible to drain fully the compressor. So still we have around 20 milliliters inside. Now I will fill up the compressor and I will start the assembling process. Huge request to you, just keep in mind that if you want to exchange the compressor, you should always check the amount of the oil which is inside the compressor, because one compressor can be dedicated for a different models of the cars, and these different models of the cars can have a different amount of the oil inside the system. So always you should check it before you will assemble the new compressor. We almost finished the procedure of the repair of the AC system in this truck. Still we are waiting for our AC service station. But we checked that we don't have any leaks, so now we just need to add the refrigerant and then we will check the performance of AC system. As you saw from this movie, we add the new part from our offer. It is the new compressor, which is the next part which we will check in our project 500,000 kilometers of NRF parts on the road. Thank you for today. See you in the next movies.
Yes, and in the next movies we are take this Echo and we are together try modify software from this car.
Watch us.
Watch us.